take my phone, right? And then he threatened one of our friends.
You can do what you want, man. Cheers.
Right?
Nobody has
What speech is it? Okay, go on.
I don't care. So what?
No, why you come here? I'm
No, so you can. He has no right to ask everybody else's name and not tell his name. And you're telling us what he is about.
as well.
No, he said, there's this business in Pakistan, you disorder, they were being aggressive. Right? They were being aggressive.
Nothing to do with you. You are Pakistani. Tell me, who are you? Okay, show me your card. You are Pakistani. That's true. It's better you go away from here. Okay? That's it.
I think something.
Okay. Leave that. You go away from here and don't come back here. Okay? Okay. I said you don't come back here. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Chalo. Let's go. Yeah? Leave him now.
It's okay.
Come on.
Who sent you, bro?
Leave that one. He said I am Pakistani. Could you tell me you are Pakistani?
I'm not Pakistani.
Why you said you are Pakistani?
You asked me a silly question, don't you, sir?
This is silly, no question. It's our house. How you can come here? How you can come here? Did I come your house and ask you what you doing here? I said this is my house. I'm owner of this house. Yeah. Yeah. I'm asking you. Who are you to asking me? You are the person who said I'm Pakistani.
I'm speaking to
That's
you.
better you go away from here, okay?
Listen,
I said you go from
I am
here.
speaking to you. Okay?
I don't want to tell you anything, so you just go away from here.
Your name is Boss.
Okay?
You said your name is Boss.
Whatever I say, you